Magandang araw Kabola, Snow Badwa nag-announce na may trade Kabola. Ano yung trade na naganap? At alam nyo ba kung ano daw po ang in-offer ng Magnolia para kay Cedric Bearfield? Malalaman nyo sa video na ito. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So, ito na nga po yung in-offer daw ng Magnolia Hatchets para kay Cedric Bearfield. According po sa isang post ng isang fan po sa Twitter, Kabola. Of course, the source is not that legit, Kabola, unproven, kasi fan lang naman po sa Twitter. So, maganda lang pag-usapan. So, the offer daw was James Laput, Chris Kun, and a second round pick, Kabola. Now, the question is this a package that Blackwater should have accept kung talaga pong na-offer? Kabola, yan yung ating pag-uusapan. James Laput, halos hindi na po ito ginagamit ngayon ng Magnolia Hatchets after pong dumating nito pong si Cliff Hopia, Kabola. And, of course, yan talaga yung nagpapababa po sa kanyang trade value dito po kay James Laput, Kabola. Which for me, to be honest, hindi ko rin maintindihan kung bakit po mas nabibigyan po ngayon ng consistent minutes si Cliff compared po kay Laput, when sa nakikita ko naman sa laruan nila, I think Laput is clearly the better player, Kabola. Hopia, no disrespect to him, I'm also high on him kasi for me, height is really might in the PBA and you just really need to be diligent to develop your skills if you have the height, Kabola. Pero ang dami kasi din talaga na mistakes na nakukomit po ni Cliff na hindi po usually nakukomit po nitong si James Laput. So, mind-boggling sa akin kasi hindi na talaga siya ginagamit sa Governor's Cup. May injury ba siya, Kabola? Pero still, this is a 6'8", so may value po ito, Kabola, in a trade package. Chris Kun will be the biggest name in this package, diba? Former top 6 pick, Kabola, sa PBA sa first round din. So, mataas yung value to. Although, kagagaling niya po sa malalang injury. Iyon po yung question dito po kay Chris Kun. Pero Chris Kun is Chris Kun, and alam naman natin, basta galing Ateneo po yan, may chance po yan of developing to a starting caliber player. Kahit pabangko po sila or bench player nung panahon po na nasa Ateneo sila. Sobrang dami ng examples niyan. Tyler Tio, Kabola, JP Eram, basta galing pong Ateneo, Gian Mamuyak, Kabola. Diba? You do not need to be the star there para maging starting level ka po dito sa PBA. So, Chris Kun could also reach that. So, may value din yung Chris Kun. Then, yung second round pick, Kabola, if we are talking about the second round pick for the upcoming draft, again, ang valuation natin dyan is a first round pick. So, if that is a second round pick for the upcoming draft, Chris Kun and James Laput, I think it should have been a package that Blackwater should have accept, Kabola. Although, of course, dapat ba sanang naganap pa sila ng mas better? Pero for me, so, malapit na talaga to sa equal value ng isang Cedric Bearfield eh. So, in a way, sayang, di ba, Kabola? Sayang kung totoo. Di ba? Kung totoo, Kabola. Now, another blockbuster deal na hindi daw po naganap, Kabola, was the straight swap, Kabola, sana, between TNT at saka ito pong si Titan, Kabola. So, it should have been sana Reynam Batak for Joshua Munzon, Kabola. So, okay pa daw yung usapan ng umpisa, Kabola, until of course, Titan also brought the name of Henry Galinato and umayaw po si TNT. Pero with the recent po na out of this world amazing victory against Converge led by Nambatak, who drilled the game-winning shots, Kabola, at 30 points. Pwede na ba? Pwede rin straight swap ng Batak for Munzon? Ano ba? Acceptable na ba, Kabola? Alam naman natin si Nambatak eh. Si Nambatak has always been a starting caliber guard, Kabola. The moment he was drafted sa Rain or Shine, yun na po yung hype sa kanya, and he met the hype, Kabola. Pero still, Munzon kasi, again, I'm really high on Munzon, especially on the defensive end. So, Nambatak for Munzon hype, swap, straight swap, medyo tagilid pa rin ako, Kabola. By the way, huwag kang mahiya, mag-comment ka, Kabola, diba? Lalo na kung may trade suggestion ka, comment mo na yan kasi masipag po kami mag-reply Speaking of trade suggestion, Kabola, before natin pag-usapan yung announcement ni Snow Badwa na trade, Kabola,
Checkmate in 3.
dito mo tayo sa trade
I wouldn't be
suggestion.
so
May
sure
suggestion
about
po si Repot Sir HC. Karakot plus Chongson for Gray, Go at second round pick. Wow, this is very interesting, Kabola. This is very interesting. Sasabihin mo siguro, wow, wait lang, si Chongson ang galing-galing nun eh. Brownie stopper. Di ba, Kabola? Brownie stopper. Bakit mo naman ibibigay yan, Kabola? Unfortunately, Chongson is also very old, Kabola. So, kung sa paningin mo po, sobrang taas pa rin po ng valuation mo kay Kailan Chongson dahil nga po, magaling naman talaga. He is very skilled, Kabola. Pero unfortunately nga, the guy is already, when he entered the league, Kabola, matanda na rin po talaga siya. Di ba? And now, at his current, di ba, dami na rin niyang injury, Kabola. Pero, sapat ba, Kabola? 34 na po siya. So, Karakot po, Kabola, plus Chongson for Gray, Go, and the second round pick. So, Gray is doing well, Kabola. Diba, again, diba, kagagaling niya po sa malalang injury. Go, kagagaling din po sa malalang injury. So, dalawang injury prone na bata, Kabola, for Karakot and Chongson. Karakot is in prime, although let us be honest, Kabola, he is nothing special as a guard. Nothing special po yan. In a way, he's a bench guard. So, it's basically a bench guard and Chongson for Gray, Go, and second round pick. So, to be honest, Karakot for that second round pick is already good. So, yung Chongson for Gray and Go, I actually believe because of the 34 age po of Chongson, na panalo din ang Rain o Shine. So, for me, this trade suggestion is a good one. It should be a fair deal. Another suggestion by Jojo Perez. Agree ba kayo sa mag swap nyo kay Deliano, sabi niya, Kabola. So, ito pong si Karakot daw, Kabola, for Javi Gomez Deliano. Ikaw ba, payag ka? Payag ka kung ikaw Magnolia? Kailangan nyo ba si Karakot po to give up Javi? Of course, for this one, although for the name value siguro, and their current production, medyo tagilid, pero the reality is, again, sabi ko nga, si Karakot po is basically a bench guard. And Javi is a forward, Kabola, and that is much, much more needed in the PBA. Now, let's go, Kabola, dun po sa announcement nga po nitong si Snow Badwa. So, nag-announce po siya, Kabola, na meron pong magaganap daw na trade, pero walang naganap. I-announce it po, Kabola, noong Sunday. Of course, we are a believer of the connection of Snow Badwa inside the PBA. Kaya nung nag-announce tayo, nag-expect talaga tayo na may trade po na magaganap. Pero walang naganap. Possibility dyan, Snow is hinting something else.
You're trapped, my friend.
Kabola. Or, pinospon kasi pinost niya. Diba? Alam naman natin na maraming galit po kay Snow Badwa, Kabola.
This is getting interesting.
So, kung hindi man naganap yun, baka napuspon. Para hindi mapatunayan ulit na proven si Snow Badwa. Ikaw ba, Kabola? Naniniwala kay Snow? Comment na po sa baba.